YouTube? It's my J from the Car Boiz back here with another legendary video today. It's still the same day as the last video, but I got another video for the same day that I'm releasing. But yeah, I'm gonna be installing an aftermarket mod. It's some new headlights for the Charger, since I'm going ahead and taking out the bumper and putting on a replacement bumper for right now. I'm going to go ahead and put on some aftermarket headlights for you guys. So I'm gonna flip this around, show you guys the aftermarket headlights. But before we get into that, make sure you guys, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'm about to flip this thing around for y'all. Okay, here's the package. I ordered it from I forgot what the website was, but it wasn't from Spider, but they are Spider aftermarket headlights. Take this foam off, and there they are. I think you got this for you. The aftermarket headlights. These ran me about, I think it was $300 to $400. I'm not too sure, but yeah, here they are. Now I'm about to just go ahead and get installing these bad boys, and I'll show you guys what they look like after I'm finished. So there it is, you guys, check it out. I got both headlights installed and the front bumper. This is just the temporary bumper for right now. I do have a new front bumper coming in, and the reason why that hood is up like that, I said it in the last video, is because the hood hinge is not connected right there and it's bent, so it's making it stick up. But once that's fixed, the hood is gonna be back down and the new headlights are in. Tell me, guys, what you think of the new headlights. And if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. My J out.